Librado Heredia Villegar flew from his Ensenada Mexico home to Fresno Heart and Surgical Hospital to have a third bariatric surgery. His case was challenging, and surgeons at the hospital's 5-star rated weight loss surgery center have the expertise to do complicated bariatric revisions.
In Mexico, it's the law. A pilot cannot be heavier than 200 pounds. And I am 260 pounds right now. And I need to be lighter than that in order to keep my license. It's my way of life, and it's my way of travel. Dr. Aceves, Jorge Alberto Aceves, in Mexicali, told me the only one can do something, and the one that I use if I needed to have it for me or my son would be Dr. Higa.
He comes to me around 3 years ago, maybe, I think so. He asked me, he told me about his story. He went with Dr. Capel in New York. When he was 19, around that, he has the first surgery. He had a good results, but he regained some weight, and then he returns back. He had another surgery, and he had some complications, and he has two or three more surgeries. And he was regaining weight. He asked me what's my recommendation. Dr. Higa, I think so for me, is one of the best surgeons around the world on bariatric surgery. He's very easy and he's very quiet, but I think for me, he's the best one. I recommend if you want and if you can do and if you can access, go with him. And I tell you, I know him and I can talk with him about that, and I don't have any problem to recognize that. No? I told you I do, but I think so. He's more experienced than me.
I think for the best care for a patient, they need to be close to the surgeon. But sometimes there are things that the local surgeon can't offer, one of them being advanced revisional surgery.
Fresno Heart and Surgical Hospital has been awarded HealthGrade's highest 5-star rating for the past 3 years for bariatric surgery and is ranked among the top 5 hospitals in California for the weight loss procedure. The hospital earns accolades from patients as well, earning a HealthGrade's Outstanding Patient Experience Award for the past 4 years.
The big difference is that the 3 times before, they opened my stomach completely, surgery, and this was a laparoscopic, so no pain, no, very easy, I think, the recovery for me. It's not even 24 hours since my surgery. I would say yesterday, but this time I was going in to the surgery, and I'm feeling great. I'm feeling like going home. It's important for the patient to have your family, and unfortunately, the last 3 times I never was able to have my own room. It wasn't available, so the family could go only for 20 minutes and then go. And I spent 13 days last time at the hospital. It's very nice facility. It's nice to see, a nice place to be.
The hospital is a nice hospital. It's a boutique hospital. Yeah, it's different than it's a real nice hospital. It's state of the art, big surgery rooms.
It changed your whole life. You can do whatever you want. You can fit any place you want. For me, I like it sport cars, and I won't fit it. And I was 18 years old, and I have to fly in a special, take my lessons in a special plane, bigger plane, because I won't fit it. So it was not really a good life, you know. And it's much better to be a normal guy, you know, normal sizes guy. My whole life changed.